Hi, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So, what we are looking at today is a bit of a complex situation. From daily time frame, you can see that today is pretty much bearish. But then this bearish, I doubt if it's actually gonna hold because price is actually yet to near yesterday's low. I feel, I mean, this does not hold anywhere, but then I feel because it's closer to this high, yesterday's high, and it got closer, I would say also. So there is this high, there's this belief I have that it's going to continue moving up until 3803, right? So perhaps this is actually going to be confirmed by this current 4 hours because it hasn't gone bullish at all. So maybe we may see some sort of bullish movement, up to somewhere around 3388, and then the break of this high is going to prompt price to move all the way to 307. Okay, so the question is this ever going to happen? If yes, the next question is it going to happen today, or is it going to happen the next 5 years, right? So you never can tell when this is actually going to happen, right? So we just have to keep our fingers crossed and see how this actually works out. Okay, so for me, I'm gonna hope for buys. If I see buys, I'm gonna take a trade. If price is heading lower, I think I'm just gonna stay away. I would rather wait for price. Yes, I know. Yeah, like I was saying, I know quite well that price actually is going to may likely come all the way to touch this trend line. Okay, even if he wants to price wants to touch this trend line, I wouldn't mind waiting for price to touch it so that I will get into a confirmed trade, right? So either price continues to go up for me to take some nice advantage of price movement, or I'm gonna wait for price to come down and touch the trend line, which may not actually be in this stream anymore. It's gonna be at my personal time. Okay, so that is what I'm most likely gonna do. This is what I'm most likely gonna do. I don't have any strategy that tells me that price is gonna go down. In as much as I see this pin bar and everything, surrounding it, but then I should be convinced, but I'm not. I just prefer to go with the trend, right? So to avoid getting clapped here and there. So in the next 5 minutes, we're gonna see volume coming, then we can decide. Are we buying or are we completely staying out of market? Okay, let us see how this works out. We're gonna see. So I'm gonna leave this at 5 minutes until going to leave it at 5 minutes this way until a couple of minutes, maybe a couple of seconds to volume time. Then we switch to 1 minute. Okay, so I believe I just have this strange belief that price is actually down to retest this zone for it to continue pushing up. That's what I believe is actually happening now. So let's see how it works out. Let's see. So do not forget, what we are planning for today is some sort of move like this, and then this, right? For price to continue heading upside. So is this gonna happen? I don't know, but this is what I plan to trade. If it doesn't work out, then I'm gonna have to wait for price to come down all the way here, touch this trend line, then I will join it. I prefer to be part of this move than to be part of this one. I can't predict this move because it may go wrong here, it may go wrong here, or it may go wrong within this zone, right? So you're not sure of what is actually going to happen. So I kind of prefer to take the trades that I know that is moving in the direction of the trend. If there's any other thing you see here, you let me know. I know the daily time frame in terms of trend may be low, bearish, but I believe it's going to go up. The bearish move in daily is, I believe, is some sort of temporary. Let's see. It's going to be a beautiful day today. What if I just decide to sell here and then take profit and go home? It's looking so appetizing, but then I've got to control myself, right? I just have to trade whatever thing I want to trade and get the hell out. Once price is not respecting, once I see that price is no longer respecting this low, then it's gonna be the end of our live stream for today. I'm just gonna go at my quiet time and wait for price to hit here. Perhaps I'm gonna set an alarm. Once price hits this zone, I could give signal if I have the strength. If I don't, I'll just take the trade and take some rest. Let's see how this works out. Less than 2 minutes. We've got less than 2 minutes. Okay, 49 seconds to go. Thirty seconds to go. Hey Anna, how are you? Hope you're pretty much very fine. Hope you're doing so nice, so great. 14 seconds to volume time, guys. 14 seconds to volume time. Price may rush down, may go up. I don't know, you don't know. So let's see. We just have to wait for price to finish the initial movement. As usual, Tradingview is hanging. As usual. Okay, I think price will actually go down. I've seen signs. I've seen some signs that shows that price will go down, but then I just want confirmation before I close my stream because I don't want to take a sell today. Okay, That's a nice confirmation right there. But then let's see how price is going to actually react to our trend line. It's unfortunate anytime volume comes into the market, especially when stock market opens, our good friend will suddenly just go deaf. It doesn't hear anymore, it doesn't get signals anymore. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is, really. It is what it is. I'm willing to sit out today's trade. If I don't see what I want, I'm willing to sit out. Why are you not touching this trend line, my friend? I just wanted this touch. This trend line, touching of this trend line is a nice confirmation for me. It would have been a nice confirmation for me, right? Just want a touch of this trend line, like a very nice, fantastic touch. Then we can proceed. Okay, sorry, let me just go back to 1 minute. Let me just look at 4 hours with my guys. Do not worry about this. This is just after this. Even if this move wants to happen, it's okay. Let it happen. After it happens, if price is buying, we're gonna get opportunity to buy as well, because yeah. So from this 1 minute candle, you can see that we are most likely gonna buy, but you just have to wait. Let price break into this zone and come back a little bit, then we can take a trade. Okay, price, did it break this zone? No. I want to see a break into this zone, like complete break into this zone. Nice. Okay, so price, if you could please come down. If it doesn't come down, we have to wait for another opportunity. Okay, we don't just have to jump in because we are seeing price candles move. Just like we did yesterday, we were just trying to catch anything. Just trying to catch anything. Man, let's catch something. Let's just catch something. 100 pips, 100 pips. So just clapping us front and back. That's worse than anything. So let's see. This is still 1 minute. I'm gonna just close this. Closing this now. Okay, so what I'm expecting to happen now, guys, for price to come into this zone, then we can actually see what is going. We're not taking a trade now, do not get me wrong, don't open any position, guys, please. We just want to see how price is going to react around here. That's all. Okay, price has broken into this zone like we anticipated. What is the next thing? The next thing is for us to see how it's going to react after breaking into this zone. Break of structure. What follows after break of structure? A retest. So this retest is done. So let's see how this candle is going to behave after it closes now. So after it closes, how is it going to behave? Is it going to continue retesting with volume? It's going to break below. So if it breaks below, I'm not going to take a trade, but I could call a trade, but then you trade it at your own risk. Okay, if it breaks below, I'm gonna call a trade, but on your own. Okay, but if it breaks above, then it's a fantastic opportunity. So this is the area I'm expecting to take a trade above here. All right, above here we're going to take a buy and take profit somewhere around here. Okay, that is if it's going to happen. That is 190 pips. That's beautiful. 189, 190 pips. That's so beautiful, guys. That's very, very beautiful. So nice, beautiful. It's coming now. It's coming up. Just want one closure. Even if this one candle here blows all the way to this zone, I'm not gonna take a trade until I get a closure above. If I get one closure, at least one bullish candle, then the break of that bullish candle becomes our entry. If it doesn't happen, then we have to call it a day. Beautiful. I like what I see. Come on. Why are you negating our plans, man? What is this? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? It's gonna go up, guys. I believe it's gonna go up. But do not get into any position, because it's left for me to say that it's gonna go up. Then markets, it has the sole right to do whatever shit it wants to do, right? So I may tell you that price is gonna go up, and then you open a position and risk 90% of your capital and it goes against you. I'm just gonna sit and laugh at you. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I can see good signs. Yeah. Oh, come on. Everything just got deactivated. What the hell, man? All the signs I saw, they just got... Oh, how do I explain that? Why is US30 invalidating my plans? Why? Or this could be part of the bigger plan to actually do a proper retest, right? Let's see. Let me remove this, because we may get a better entry somewhere around there. So if you have placed a buy stop above here, please remove it. We may get a better entry around here. So if price can be very kind to come push down all the way to this line, I'll be so glad. So we can get in at a very cheap rate, very nice rate, for price to then continue to push up. If we can get price to hit this line, and then when it forms some sort of reversal pattern, then we take a gigantic advantage. But if it doesn't, it's fine. I mean, we are equal to the task, right? So now, guys, I hope you're ready. I hope you... Nice, that's entry, guys. That's a buy right there. That's a buy right there. I hope you are willing to risk up to 60 pips. If you are not willing, better close it now, okay? If you are not willing to risk up to 60 pips, please close the positions now, okay? Because this trade may go against us, okay? And just being honestly sincere with you guys, it could just turn and start going against us. I mean, so you better watch it, please. You are in profits now, so if you are not willing to risk these 60 pips, close out now. That's all I've got to say. So if your position is still on, congrats in advance, because it's going to be a huge profit right there if it goes away. Oh, come on. Why is it forming this wickless bar? Anyway, the wickless bar could actually turn out to be very beautiful. Sometimes it's actually a blessing in disguise, if you understand what I mean. So daily has reverted just like I purported, and 4 hours has also flipped. So 4 hours flip just happened, and daily 1 hour flip just happened as well, just like I have anticipated. So I think you guys should start calling me anticipation master now. I anticipate things and things happen, right? Start calling me anticipation master, please. I anticipate a lot. So if I were you, just to make sure that we are all aligned, move your stop loss to break even. That is the best thing you can do for your sanity, okay? If price comes back, like I'm telling you with experience, if price comes back now, voila is going to hit your stop loss. It's just going to keep going down. So move your stop loss to break even. If you can, close out some positions. This is 60 pips already. Price has moved 60 pips already. So if you can, close out some positions, okay, for your own sanity, okay, for your own sanity. I hope you've moved your stop loss to break even. This is my stop loss here. This is a trade. I've been in this trade for a long time anyway, so I shared that on the Discord group. So this is actually the trade I was supposed to show you. This is the trade I wanted to show you. This is me getting in just at the exact position I've called the shots. So we are not deceiving anybody here. We're taking the trades as well. So price looks like it will do us good today. So guys, the least I expect from you guys, at least today we are winning. So let me get a lot of likes like right there. Right here in this position, in this trade, I'm already at 20 pips profit. I'm sorry, 200 pips profit in this position. But then this is one of the trades I called initially, but I extended the stop loss because I saw some nice opportunities right there, right? So, and then the other one is already at a lot of profits as well. This is beautiful, guys. This move is unique. So guys, if I were you, this is 114 pips. If I were you, I'm going to close 65% of my position. I'm going to close 65% of my position. Closed already 65%. So look at it. If you want to see, look, this is it, okay? I close some here, I close some here, and some here, okay? So do not say I didn't tell you on time. Close out some percentages so that you can be able to handle the loss handle the reversal if it happens, okay? So that is all advice I've got for you. And meanwhile, I'm buying Matic USD. I bought Matic USD a couple of days ago. That is a crypto coin. I know I said, yeah, don't blame me, don't kill me, don't eat me yet. I said I don't like cryptos, but then I saw this nice opportunity here and I just bought it, right? Let me see when I bought this. I bought this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days ago. And look at where we are now. Look at where we are. I'm already at 66,388 points. Can you see that? So my plan is to let it run until the kingdom come. Don't buy with me, okay? Don't be me. Come on, guys. If you have not closed that 65%, I wonder who you learned how to trade from. Because definitely it's not me. Because definitely it is not me, okay? So this could actually be just a main noise. This could be a main noise. Just allow the noise to happen, allow the noise to finish, then we can confirm. As long as you move your stop loss to break even, there's nothing you need to worry about anymore. If it hits break even before time, fine, let it go. If it doesn't, fine, let it go. Everything works together for us. I remember the other day I closed my position and suddenly the price reversed and hit TP instantly, if you remember. So I think 65% is more than moderate for as a profit for one day. So if it happens to give us more than that with the runners, that would be beautiful. That would be so beautiful. Do not forget, if you are joining me for the first time, go ahead and join our Discord server, the same name, PPP Dirhams, just the same name, okay? Okay. Price is really moving in our direction. That's so beautiful. So guys, move your stop loss to somewhere here, I would say. Move your stop loss to the low, to the back of the low, the most recent low, which is here. Move your stop loss to somewhere here so that you gain maximum. Let's see what price is trying to do. Okay, so our trade just got clapped. This is beautiful, right guys? This is beautiful. We made money today. If your trade is still open, I wonder who sent you. If your position is still open, I wonder how you want to handle that, right? Why am I advising everyone to close their positions now? Let me show you why. Go to 4 hours. If you go to 4 hours, you see that this 4 hours actually retested up to this level. You know, whenever I'm trading, I'm always scared of this level, right? But this level, I mean this point. Can you see this candle? So whenever there is a breakout, right, a retest normally happens until here. And if it's going to reverse, market is going to reverse from there. Okay. If it's not going to reverse, it's going to retest and then push up again to break. That is why I told you guys, close this, close that, close this, right? So let's see. Let me see if we can take another position. Let me look at my chart. 1 minute. So this is another position is booting, guys. It's loading. But let's see how price is going to react around here. The way price reacts here will make us decide if we're taking positions or not. Do not forget, this is just some sort of initial move. All these moves you see that we trade, they are just initial moves for indices, right? After these are our moves, when we close our streaming and go home, that is when indices begins to move. What we just traded now is market open, okay? New York session has a whole lot of hours before closure. So a lot of things are going to happen between now and closure. So that is why you have to be patient. If you miss opportunities during New York open, just relax. It's going to come back to you. It happens. See? You see what's happening here? Told you guys this place is a very important area that we need to watch out for. But you have to wait. You have to just wait. Let this candle close. Then you can decide. Okay? This is actually what just happened here. From here to here, see, it just retested 70% Fibo. So the retest is done. Maybe it could break and start going above, or it could continue going down, but I think it's going to continue going up. So man, I'm here to make money, so I'm going to attempt one more position. Oh no, wait guys. Okay, that is looking ripe. So one more position above here. Beautiful guys, beautiful. One more position above there. Beautiful. I think I said one more and I opened multiple. I was saying beautiful, beautiful, and each time I say beautiful I click buy. each time I say beautiful I click buy. So guys, but just pray for me, okay, so that this doesn't go back. Look at what I did here. Pray for me so it doesn't go back. Because if it does, it's gonna clap me directly. Okay. All right. Come on, move it, Jack. Don't come down, Jack, please. Don't come down, Jack. Please, can someone tell Jack not to come down? Don't come down, Jack, because I have multiple positions open. Anyway, it's just very nice opportunity. The stop loss is stop loss hit. God damn it. Okay, that was nice. That was beautiful. Very fantastic experience, I would say. But then price may actually go up. Myself, I put my stop loss somewhere here because I opened multiple position. That was why I actually got clapped. Okay, for you are safe. For you are very safe, my friends. You are so safe. Okay. Today it seems NAS actually moved better than NAS, could I say, based on entry opportunity. Okay, this moved. Yeah, this actually moved better. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, just I'm not gonna close. I'm just gonna use proper stop loss. I'm not gonna break any even now. Okay. I opened two position in two accounts, right? So one closed and one did not close. So whatever thing did not close, I'm not gonna break it. I'm just gonna use standard stop loss to see if this, because it's showing signs of movement, right? Showing some bullish signs, so most likely it's gonna hit our take profit. If it doesn't let you hit stop loss, it's fine. I'm good with that. So if it comes down, let stop loss get clapped. This is just an experimental trade, guys. So if you don't want to be part of this, please, you better close out. Okay, if you feel you cannot handle what I'm doing now, better close out. Okay, it's not a must that you can do this with me. I just want to see if price is actually gonna get to TP or not. Okay, we've closed our main position, so feel free to close. Okay. Okay, guys, while we try this out, I encourage you to please risk only what you can afford to lose, because I'm about to end the stream. I appreciate each and every one of you for joining me today. Good luck with this trial, and I hope it works out for everyone. And congrats for the wins today. I hope you guys are gonna get off the your screens the moment we end the stream. Okay, don't risk anymore. You go and take rest for the day. Okay, thank you very much, everyone, and do have a lovely morning, evening, or afternoon, depending on your time zone. Bye bye.